guys, today we're going to be doing the Mystery Slime Challenge. So let's get started. I'm going to go first. I got blue glitter.
Now I will go. I got pink glitter.
I got yellow glitter.
I have borax. Yay!
I got gold glitter.
I got green glitter.
I got purple glitter.
I got orange glitter.
I got silver glitter.
I got green glitter again.
I got purple food coloring.
I got clear glue.
I got gold glitter again.
Okay, I have chunky orange glitter.
I got shaving cream.
I got white glue.
I got green food coloring.
I got orange glitter again.
I got purple glitter again.
I got baking soda.
I got blue glitter.
I got blue glitter too.
I got green food coloring again.
I've got contact solution.
I got orange food coloring.
Okay, I got borax again.
I got pink food coloring. My slime is sure gonna be colory.
And mine's gonna be really activated. I got clear glue.
I got silver glitter.
I've got purple food coloring.
I've got white glue. Yay! Glue.
I got silver glitter.
I got orange glitter.
I got baking soda again.
I got clear glue.
I've got pink food coloring.
I got shaving cream again.
Aw man, I wanted shaving cream. I've got orange food coloring.
I've got contact solution.
I've got black glitter.
I've got baking soda.
And the last one, black glitter again.
So now we're gonna mix it. This is how my slime turned out. It's orange and it's very sticky.
This is how mine slime turned out. It's actual slime, you can hold it, but it's not very stretchy and it can rip. It's an orange and a white tie-dye mix.
Mine is orangey and it's super nice. So thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.